Do you long for Ithaca, your home, Odysseus?
What if you could build an entire Hollywood-style short film without switching between 5 different AI tools? Imagine, you have a spark of an idea. Instead of juggling apps, you stay in one place, turning that idea into a script, storyboard frames, and finally a finished video. That's Buzzy. It brings the entire production pipeline into one canvas. And with Seedance 2.5 built in as the core engine, you're getting noticeably better quality, smoother motion, and a more capable creative assistant behind every scene. Now, let's create our first AI video. I want to create a high-end cinematic fantasy sequence. The idea is to place a group of ancient warriors in the middle of a violent ocean and then introduce a massive mythical sea god emerging from beneath the water. Now I'll just click Generate. Now we're inside Buzzy Canvas, which is where the entire video creation process takes place. The first thing it asks you to do is choose a visual style for your project. There are several options available depending on the type of video you want to create. But for this demo, I'll simply pick one that fits my idea. Next, it asks for the video duration and aspect ratio, allowing you to optimize your project for different platforms. One thing I really like here is that this isn't just a simple AI prompt box. It's actually an intelligent AI agent working inside Buzzy Canvas, guiding the entire creative workflow from start to finish. After a few moments, my AI short film script is ready. As you can see, it has automatically generated a complete, well-structured script with scenes and storytelling already planned out. If you want, you can edit or refine any part of it. But in my case, it already looks solid. So I'll move on and ask it to generate the characters and scenes. Buzzy Canvas is powered by advanced models like Nano Banana 2 and GPT Image 2, helping generate consistent characters, scenes, and visuals. Buzzy has created consistent character concepts along with the matching scene references, giving us a strong visual foundation before moving into the storyboard and final video generation. Now it's time to generate our storyboard. Once everything is ready, Buzzy Canvas automatically transforms our script, characters, and scenes into a structured visual storyboard. But before generating the final video, let me show you some of the powerful editing tools available inside Buzzy Canvas. The first one is multi-angle. Instead of regenerating an entire image, you can simply change the camera perspective with a few clicks. Whether you want a high-angle shot, low-angle shot, panoramic view, fisheye, or a completely custom camera position, just select your preferred angle and click Generate. As you can see, the composition changes while keeping the same subject and scene consistent, making it incredibly easy to experiment with different cinematic shots. Another feature I really like is lighting control. You can completely change the mood of a scene by adjusting the brightness, light direction, key light position, and overall lighting setup. I'll simply choose a different lighting angle and generate it again. And as you can see, the scene instantly gets a fresh cinematic look without affecting the original composition. Next, we have the 9-grid storyboard feature. This allows you to generate multiple storyboard frames in a single layout, making it much easier to visualize your entire sequence at once. It's perfect for planning scenes, checking shot consistency, and refining your story before moving on to video generation. We also have an integrated AI upscaler built directly into Buzzy Canvas. With just one click, you can enhance the quality of your generated images, making them sharper and more detailed without leaving the workflow. Having these tools built directly into Buzzy Canvas makes the entire production process much faster, since you can adjust camera angles, lighting, storyboard layouts, and image quality all from one creative workspace. Now I'll ask Buzzy Canvas to generate the video scenes. Since the storyboard, characters, and script are already in place, the AI automatically starts creating each scene while maintaining visual consistency throughout the project. After a few moments, all of my video scenes are ready. As you can see, every shot has been generated successfully with consistent characters, cinematic compositions, and smooth storytelling. Without wasting any more time, I'll simply merge all of these scenes into a single video. And just like that, my final video is ready. Now, let's play it. As you can see, Buzzy Canvas has done an impressive job of turning a simple text idea into a complete cinematic sequence. The character consistency remains intact from beginning to end. The camera movements feel dynamic, the environments are highly detailed, and the overall visual quality delivers a polished, movie-like experience, all generated inside a single workflow. One feature I really like is Buzzy's community page. Here, you can explore a huge collection of high-quality AI videos created by other users across a wide range of styles and genres. If you find a workflow you like, you can simply click Copy Canvas to duplicate the entire project into your own workspace. From there, you can customize the script, characters, scenes, and storyboard to match your own creative vision instead of starting from scratch. It's a great way to learn from other creators, discover new ideas, and significantly speed up your AI video production while keeping everything inside Buzzy Canvas. After going through the complete workflow, the biggest advantage isn't just the quality of the final video, it's how everything is connected. Instead of switching between multiple AI tools for script writing, image generation, storyboarding, and video creation, Buzzy Canvas brings the entire production pipeline into a single visual workspace. This makes planning, editing, and maintaining character consistency much easier, especially for longer storytelling projects. Beyond AI filmmaking, Buzzy also supports many other creative workflows, including marketing videos, product showcases, branded content, UGC ads, social media videos, and storytelling projects. Everything can be managed from the same workspace without constantly jumping between different tools. If you're looking for a faster and more organized way to create AI videos, Buzzy Canvas is definitely worth checking out, especially with Seedance 2.5 powering the final output. You can find the link in the description if you'd like to explore it yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.